How to turn off location on Life360 without anyone knowing. This video will tell you the truth. Life360, the popular location sharing app, is known for its precise location tracking feature. It can be a boon for safety, but sometimes you might want a little privacy. Today we'll cover the best method and 3 other alternatives for your convenience. Now, let's dive into the process. The most effective method, using a location spoofing app like iWhere iPhone Location Changer. This ingenious app allows you to change your location without turning off your GPS and lets you change the GPS location of your iOS device with a single click without jailbreaking or rooting. Let's see how to turn off location on Life360 without anyone knowing. First, download and install the app on your device. Once you have installed the app, connect your iPhone to your computer using a cable and open it. You will see a map on the screen that you can use to select your preferred location. If you want to use the multi-stop mode, you can either click on any point on the map to select a route or enter the desired location in the search box. Additionally, you can customize the movement speed by adjusting the speed button located below the search box. Once you have selected your preferred route, you can drag the speed button to switch between walking, cycling, and driving speeds. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable location spoofing. When you open Life360, your location will appear as the one you selected in iWhere iPhone Location Changer. But what if you don't want to download any app? Never mind, there are 3 other ways you can turn off your location on Life360 without sending out any notifications. The first way involves disabling location sharing directly in the Life360 app. Open the app and navigate to the settings. Scroll down until you find the location sharing option and simply switch it off. Just remember, this will stop the location sharing for all members in your circle. The second method is by disabling your device's location service altogether. On your smartphone, go to your device settings, find the location option and turn it off. However, do bear in mind that this will disable location services for all apps on your device, not just Life360. The final and most drastic method is to delete your Life360 account permanently. This can be done through the account settings in the Life360 app. However, think this through carefully, as once the account is deleted, it cannot be retrieved. Where iPhone Location Changer prevents others from tracking your true location by setting a new route yourself. And at the same time, you can change the speed and direction of movement. These are advantages which are different from the other 3 methods. Disable location sharing, turn off your device's location service, or even delete your Life360 account essentially turns off location positioning. But you also cannot see other people's locations, which affects the user experience. I hope it can help you turn off location on Life360 without anyone knowing after understanding the advantages and disadvantages of the 4 methods. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.